Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to change your Windows 11 wallpaper automatically. So for this guys, you can follow this easy and very simple method. You don't need to do any extra hard work or you don't need to download any extra third-party software. So just you need to open the Windows settings on your PC like this. In the Windows settings, here in the left panel, go to personalization, and in the right panel, open background like this. And in the background guys, here you can get the option personalize your background. Just extend this. From here you need to select Windows Spotlight. That's it. Okay, now it will change the wallpaper automatically on your Windows 11. As you can see guys, after a few minutes it will set the new wallpaper for your desktop automatically. You don't need to change it. Okay, so this is the very easy and very simple method to automatically change the wallpaper on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.